Free Chemistry Class 11 Lecture Series Announcement. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. We have some exciting news to share with you today. Inshallah, we are starting a free lecture series for Class 11 Chemistry. But we need your help to make it a success. As we know, education is a valuable resource, and we believe everyone should have access to quality learning materials, regardless of their circumstances. That's why we're bringing you this free Class 11 Chemistry Lecture Series. In this series, we will cover all the essential topics from the Class 11 Chemistry curriculum. From the periodic table to chemical reactions, we've got it all covered. Plus, we'll make it engaging and easy to understand. Our lectures will be held regularly, so you can follow along with your school studies. Stay tuned for our detailed schedule, which we'll be sharing soon. Now, here's where you come in. To make this series a success, we need your support. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, share this channel with your friends and classmates. Let's create a community of chemistry enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us in this exciting journey. Together, we can make quality education accessible to all. Don't forget to subscribe and spread the word. Inshallah, we'll see you in our first lecture. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.